Today we will discuss essay on Parrot, bird I like the most. The bird I like the most is the parrot. The parrot is a very beautiful bird. They like to live in groups and they make a lot of noise. Its feathers are greenish. It has a red beak. Its beak is curved and very sharp. There are some black circles on the neck of the parrot. Overall, it is a very lovely looking bird. The parrot is a medium-sized bird. Parrots are omnivores. They also eat grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, pears, nuts, mangoes, boiled rice and small insects, etc. They like mirchi the most. The parrots are the only organisms that eat food with feet. Parrots build their houses in pits of trees. It is a clever bird because it is considered an expert in mimicry. It can imitate the human voice. Parrots fly very fast. Usually they fly in the herd. It is very pleasant to see them flying in the herd. Some people keep it in a small cage, which is not good. Some people train the parrots to do wonderful things. More than 300 species of parrots have been discovered so far. It is found in almost all the warm countries. Australia has the highest number of parrots. Thank you.